Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Nuna, and in this video I will be reviewing a makeup brush cleaner. So I've been seeing this makeup brush cleaner all over Instagram and TikTok, and a lot of people have been saying that it makes cleaning your makeup brushes easier and faster. So I wanted to test it out to see if it's any good, because I don't like cleaning my makeup brushes, and we all know that it's important to have clean makeup brushes. So I'm always on the hunt for something that could make cleaning my makeup brushes easier. Another reason why I got this makeup brush cleaner to test it out is because of a TikTok video posted by the micro guy, which showed how many microorganisms can be found in dirty makeup brushes and sponges. And of course, we know it's important to clean makeup brushes often. So this is supposed to be quicker and more efficient than washing or scrubbing your makeup brushes by hand. Of course, if you have a lot of makeup brushes, this can take a long time to do. And for me, if it's easier to clean my makeup brushes, I know I'm going to do it more often. And that means I'll have clean brushes and I have a better makeup application, and there's less chances of bacteria and dirt buildup on my makeup brushes, which reduces the chance of any acne breakouts. So before we actually test out this makeup brush cleaner, let's take a look at the details of this makeup brush cleaner. So the first thing is that it has a curved convex shape to ensure full contact with the bristles of the makeup brush to ensure a deep clean. And it has a USB plug, so meaning that it's electrical powered. So this is better than, of course, a battery powered makeup brush cleaner, because it helps to maintain power and speed, and you don't have to continually change the batteries. And then it has a silicone lining in the dish with multiple protrusions, so again it can clean multiple makeup brushes at the same time of various sizes, which can help to save time and take less effort to clean the makeup brushes. So let's take a look at some of the pros that some people mentioned about this makeup brush cleaner. So the first one is that it's a USB electric plug-in, so you don't have to worry about batteries or it running out of power. You just have to be near an outlet, and of course your hands won't get wet or soggy because the silicone dish is doing all of the cleaning. You don't have to get your hands wet. Another pro is that it's a compact device. It doesn't take up a lot of space, and it's relatively easy to dump and change out the dirty water. And if it actually cleans the makeup brushes, then it's relatively fast and easy to clean. And some of the cons that people have mentioned is that you have to change the water often. It holds only a small amount of water, and the power button is very sensitive, so it can turn on and off when you don't want it to. So let's try it out with a few of my makeup brushes and let's see how it works. Hopefully you found this video useful. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Comment down below what you'd like to see next, and please subscribe so you don't miss my next video. Thank you for watching.